In this video, I'm going to be doing something that I haven't done before. As you can see, I have this case here, and it is filled with Disney Mickey's 90th 12-piece set. So for Mickey's 90th birthday, there's a lot of merchandise coming out, and they have some of those Funko mystery little figurines that are coming out, and there are 12 of them. And when I was reading online, you can order them, and if you order one, you don't know which one you're gonna get. And I looked at all 12 of them, the pictures of them, and I kind of liked them all. So I opted to order a full case of it, hoping that I'd get a mixture of all of them and not end up with like 12 of the same ones. So I thought it would be fun to have a video where I open these. And don't worry, for those of you who watch for Disneyland vlogs, menu reviews, and also Disney cruise reviews, I have more of that coming, but I thought it would be a little fun since I got this case to see what's inside. So we will take a look. Now within here, there is 12 of them, and like I said, I'm hoping I get a mix of everything. So I thought you would have to open the boxes. I did peek at one of them, and you don't actually have to open the box all the way because you can see through here. So if you were in a store and seeing them, you could pick them out. But I'm going to maybe be a little sneaky and first show you. These are the different options that are available that you can see. So there's a lot of adorable ones. There is Sorcerer's Apprentice Mickey, Steamboat Willie Mickey, Conductor Mickey. So just lots of fun options. And so I thought it would be fun to open these with you. And so my first one is, it is Classic Mickey. So just the standard Mickey, so that's fun. And they each come in these kind of cool boxes, as far as it's got Mickey on the side, kind of a red plastic thing inside to look nice, and of course a little window you can see through, but just the standard little Mickey there. So I like that one. So far, 1 for 1. Of course I liked them all. Let's see who we got next. The next one is, it looks like Adventurer Mickey or something along those lines. Explorer Mickey. Got a little, so there that guy is. Once again, kind of cute. I don't remember all the shows that these individual ones come from, but it'll give me an excuse to watch these. There's also the concern I'm a grown adult and I'm ordering all these, but at the same time, Mickey only turns 91, so I figured I had to do something fun. And this next one is, I think this one is the Pauper Mickey. So from The Prince and the Pauper. So there he is. Very cute. Well, so far I'm feeling good about this, because I was worried I would have, basically, I was worried I might have 12 of the same one, and so far, 3 for 3, we're doing okay. Next, I was hoping I'd get this one. It's a little band Conductor Mickey. Look at that happy face. One interesting thing here is on a number of them, they do have Mickey's tail, which helps him stand up, but also some, or knock over, either way you look at it. But yeah, his tail is not always something that they feature on toys, so that's fun. This could be something, yay! This one is the brave little Tailor. I'm hoping if anyone is still watching this at this point, there are people who are into this sort of thing, as far as into these Mickey toys or wondering about them. Because if you're just someone who's not into this watching this, bless your heart, because this can't be too entertaining. But I am excited, and look at them. So they're not as tall as the typical like Funko Pop sort of things, because those would be about this tall, but these are about half the size. And I think that's a perfect size, because these are something that can go on my desk or on a cupboard. I haven't looked at it. Which one is it? Ooh, it looks like Band Concert Conductor Mickey. So yes, so he's conducting an orchestra or something like that. So cute there. 6 for 6 right now. I got 6 more to go. And just to show the box off a little bit, it's got Mickey the True Original on that. It's got this. And who do we have this time? Yay! It is Three Musketeer Mickey. Look at that guy. Very fun. Oops, as I hit Conductor Mickey. Sorry, Popper Mickey. Do we think I'm going to make it through with no duplicates? Do we think they gave me a complete case? What do we think? Train Conductor Mickey. I think if you had $1 for every time you had a Conductor Mickey, because we have like band conductor, orchestra conductor, and now train conductor. He was born to conduct, clearly. 7 for 7, no duplicates. I'm wondering if I made it, and if not, maybe I'll have to do a giveaway. Let's see. I was really hoping for this one. I'll show it to you once I get him out of the thing because he's adorable. Steamboat Willie Mickey. Look at that face. I love how he's mid-whistle. He's just whistling away there. So that's fun. Very fun. Once again, this isn't my typical type of video, so sorry if it's painful to watch, and you don't have to watch it, but just 3 more to go. And we have... Did I already have this one? No, this is a different... How many things... This is Band Concert Mickey. He loves music and conducting. I thought it was the same, but it's different than this one. Look at this. So you can see how this one is more old school and this one is younger or newer or whatever. And Popper Mickey loves to take a nap. All right. 2 more. Do we think? Sorcerer Mickey, Sorcerer Mickey. Look at that guy working his magic. And 1 more to go. I don't know which one's left. But the last one is Prince Mickey. So from Prince and the Pauper. So it's kind of another fun one, as he is trying to blow the feather up because he is trying to be royal. All right, so there we have it, all 12 of them. So I think it was a smart move to buy the case of them, because then I think if I would have just ordered them separately, it would have been likely that I would have gotten a few duplicates because it would have just been someone putting that in. But because I got the whole case, and also, I guess if I was going to open a store, oops, sorry. This is what it goes in. So they gave me a full case, so I guess when retailers get it, they get a full shipment of them, a full assortment of them. So yes, so I can stick it back in there, but I will put the links below of where I ordered this from, and also a link for Amazon of where you can order the one separately. In the comments below, I'd love to hear what things you're looking forward to for Mickey's 90th Day. They have TV specials, they have special merchandise, they have a DVD and Blu-ray coming out with special things. So I think it's going to be really fun events in the park and on the cruise ship. So I'd love to hear what you're looking forward to. But overall, I'm totally excited that I got the full mixture of them, because that is what I was hoping for. So yeah, very fun. Thanks so much for watching. If you made it all the way through this video, you're so kind. If you feel the need to be even kinder, give this video a like. And if you so desire, subscribe to the channel. I don't always do stuff like this, but I have more vlogs from Disney trips, menu reviews, and other things coming soon.